No, my favorite thing, John, you're absolutely right. Over the years, my favorite thing is when I visit with seniors. I learned so much from them. And I was lucky to have my grandfather. He lived to almost 106. The stories he could tell. Stuff that you're never going to get in a textbook, right? Check out the view from Amsterdam tonight. Skies are mostly cloudy. Now, there may be a few flurries coming down the Mohawk Valley at some point later this evening as the colder air comes in and a little bit of moisture off of Lake Ontario. Really not that cold right now, but compared to what we had early this afternoon, when we got up into the low 50s here in Albany, we're down about 10 degrees, 41. 40 at Glens Falls, Lake Pleasant, 33, 36 at Cobleskill, Manchester 39, still holding at 44 in Pittsfield, 42 at Kingston. Checking with the weather watchers tonight. 31, there's been some flurries and snow showers around Long Lake. 32, Indian Lake, 40 in Queensbury. Bob Weinford up there in Whitehall, 41, he hit 51 today. 36 in Hebron tonight. Everybody has a little bit of wind, but not really that bad right now. 33, Caroga Lake, 36 in Gloversville. Dwaynesburg down to 34. Jim Glockner, 39 in Greenfield Center. Around 40 in Waterford. John Collin, 34 in Grafton, 39 Bennington. Adams around 40 degrees, been windy up here as well today, and my buddy Bill Mahone over there in Lanesboro checking in at 35 degrees. 37 in Windham, and low 40s from Germantown over to Hillsdale in Columbia County. Now the winds, they'll still be a little gusty tonight, but not so bad right now. Gusting 26 in Pittsfield. And Cobleskill has a little bit of wind, gusting to 22 miles per hour. Storm is departing. In its wake, that windy weather came in and cooler air. A lot of moisture, by the way, lurking along the Gulf Coast. I mention that because there's going to be a pretty good storm coming out of the Gulf, but it's going to be a near miss for us. It's going to stay south of us. We have this big ridge of high pressure that's going to sprawl its way eastward for much of the weekend. Now, let's start with Saturday. A little breezy in the morning, partly sunny. There's that storm in the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow evening. Now, watch the track of this. Up into the Carolinas, could be some ice in parts of Virginia. Sunday, we're okay here as well. But look how close it gets up to New York City late Sunday night and Monday morning. Highs tomorrow near 40 to start the weekend. We'll take that any day of the week, right? 31. At Lake Pleasant, upper 30s in Bennington County through Pittsfield. Hudson at 43. Sunday a little bit better. Big day, right? Those of you going to the big game parties, 45 in Albany. The weather's not a factor. I remember one year there was like a big snowstorm on Super Bowl. Not this year. 44 at Bennington, 44 at Saratoga, and 45 at Cobleskill. All right, the forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy. Windy at times, flurries off to the north and west, a low near 30. Breezy tomorrow morning, partly sunny, a high near 40. On Sunday, partly sunny, mid-40s. Same thing for Monday. Valentine's Day, partly sunny after some morning clouds, 45. Look at Wednesday, stray shower, 49. 56 Thursday, maybe a shower or two. And Friday, showers during the morning, and a high of 47. Very mild weather continues. Trishna?
All right.